Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is a new router that I bought. The reason I bought it was because I recently installed some security cameras around the perimeter of Froggy's garage and house, and they're not getting a strong enough signal to really be satisfactory in how they work. They work off and on marginally, but I don't think it's the fault of the cameras. I think it is the AT&T router modem combination that I got from that same company. I don't think when you buy a service from them, you really get the highest end quality of hardware. Um, You might not even get the highest end quality of their other services too, but that's for another day. Let's try putting up this router and see if I can get better signal out to those cameras. Okay, here we go. Well, I was hoping that I would be able to wall mount this, and it looks like I can do that, so I don't have to build a shelf for it. For those of you that are interested in details, there you go. That is what the unit is. Okay, so I'm going to need power, which I think I've used up all the power in my master bedroom closet, but I'll have to put some kind of a multiplier on there. And there's a Cat 5 cable, and I will probably use that to plug it into the modem that exists already. All right, let's read the directions a little bit. Okay, well, it says download the app to get the installation instructions. So, excuse me a minute while I do that. All right, I'm going to make this short. I spent about 2 hours on tech support doing the install. There's the model there. And then another hour trying to get my cameras to talk to the router. The whole reason I bought this was because there it is right there. It's supposed to have good range. Well, here's the range that it has. About 7 to 8 meters. Multiply times 3.1 or something, that's how many feet. This is not going to work at all for me with outdoor cameras. This is the classic beating a dead horse. I wasted 3 hours of my life on technical support trying to get this piece of junk to work. So I've got to find something that's got a little longer range router. Sorry, I'm a little bit upset with this whole thing, but I wanted to put this video out for you guys and gals so you don't make the same mistake that I made. Okay? I love you guys and gals. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Well, now that I've calmed down, one last thing I want to say about this. All this stuff, I'm just going to call it stuff. All these features, all this blah, 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 blah. And here, all this, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. And what do we have with the last thing? Up to 50% longer range. Well, what does that say? It used to be 10 feet and now it's 15 feet, so that's 50% longer. This is meaningless. This is stupid. The people who designed this box or this ad, they're either stupid or they're deceptive, one or the other. I don't care about all that other stuff. I care about range. So that's your Nighthawk XS6. Don't buy it if you need range.